Welcome to the MBPI Home Inspection Network.
Hi, this is Todd Whiting from Metro Boston Property Inspections, and we're inspecting a new construction property today, and they have a demand water heater. And one of the features about a demand water heater is it does need servicing every year. It should be descaled once a year, and on it we have these valves at the bottom and these openings where a plumber would hook up a hose with a pump, shut the water off first, and he would pump vinegar through the system to descale it. And that way you extend the life expectancy of your system and are able to enjoy good quantities of hot water all year long. If you have any questions, you can contact Metro Boston Property Inspections at 781-828-1972. Hope you found this helpful.
Thank you for watching. To schedule your inspection, call 781-828-1972. And don't forget to ask about our 5-star optional services package and save $120.